Although Chattanooga is only the fourth largest city in Tennessee, it is an incredible destination with jaw-dropping vistas, a fascinating history, and nostalgic attractions. Jed and I wrapped up my summer city series by visiting one of the most underrated cities in the Southeast. We had a wonderful time and I am excited to share it with you all. Here at the Chattanooga Choo Choo.
The Choo Choo.
The Choo Choo.
Yeah, this is like that giant one you played with as a kid. Thomas the Tank Engine.
Have you ever been to a place that looks like this, Jed?
The Pantheon.
The Pantheon, yes.
That's what I was thinking.
It's I forget the name of it, but it has the hole in the ceiling like that where the light was shining through sideways. Definitely influenced by the Pantheon. But it also looks very London. That window there looks very London-ish. London-esque. Crazy kids.
Good night.
Good night. Good grief.
What in the world?
That is a biscuit.
That's a biscuit, all right.
That was a biscuit. I got the farmer, got apple butter, fried chicken, cheddar cheese. What's yours got? Bacon?
I got the smoked bacon, the maple syrup, fried chicken.
Order for I don't know. She asked us what we would do if we won the lottery, and that's what she yells out when she calls out our order. Order for Let's Go Traveling.
Let's go
order
traveling.
for I don't know. That's good. How's the?
That was real good.
Real good. Here at the Maple Street Biscuit Company.
Yeah.
Yeah, Maple Street Biscuit Company. Going up that railroad. Jed. Tourist Trap Chocolate Mint.
Oh yeah. I want chocolate and I want mint, 2 flavors in 1 cone. I thought you wanted chocolate in 1 and mint. No.
You had some of that Tourist Trap Chocolate Mint. So hopefully we don't get any flashbacks to Hole in the Wall.
Not knowing what mint chocolate chip is.
Yeah.
She should have been arrested.
Tourist Trap Chocolate Mint. Tourist Trap Chocolate Mint.
Oh yeah. Take that for a ride, yeah?
Yep. This is why we came right here.
Well,
this view right
we climbed all this way.
Amazing.
To Lookout Mountain, and we seen Lookout Cloud.
Inspiring. Jaw-dropping. I dare you to post a picture of this on your Instagram.
Nope.
Saying big views.
Big view.
Big views. Jed, how'd you pay for this trip to Chattanooga?
I used the last of my flight credit. 950 credit.
All the way from Seattle.
When was that, 2 years ago?
Oh,
no, a year ago.
Over a year ago, like 14 months. You're still benefiting from giving up your flight. Was it rough at work the next day?
It was rough.
It was rough.
But worth it.
So across there you have the Tennessee Aquarium, the bridge here, I forget what the bridge is called. Over there is where we're going to board our cruise for tonight. We're going to take an 1.5-hour river cruise tonight on the Tennessee River. We're going to try to make it over there and walk that bridge.
played my hand in the blind. See, I was born a reckless kind.
General Store. Royal Crown Cola. Oh.
I feel like I should.
Look at this. Look at this machine.
Oh, it's just it's not an actual. Ken,
Feel free to pull out a bottle of cool RC Cola and pay at the counter.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Royal Crown.
That is really cool.
This is underrated.
Grandpa Kirk's would get nuts at that.
Look at his old.
Moon pie. Jed's first moon pie ever.
As far as I know.
It's Abby.
Oh, yeah, it's like a s'more.
It's like a s'more, yeah, it's got that graham cracker.
Graham cracker marshmallow.
Chattanooga. Home of the moon pie. There's the duck tour. Thing drove on the road and rolled right into the water.
Talking about Andy Jack.
Made it back.
The Lookout Mountain, and we seen Lookout Cloud.
Who's better than this morning?
Babies cry, I watch them grow. They learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, oh, what a wonderful world. Yes, I to myself, ooh, what a wonderful
Jed, shirt. Wearing, I gave Jed the shirt today. I got it at Doosan in Korea. It fit pretty good?
Yeah.
Pretty sweet shirt. What'd you get? Chicken?
Barbecue half chicken.
That's what I got. That's what I got as well. What was your side?
Cornbread and some turnip green.
Got the fire roasted jalapenos. Sweet tea. Chicken. Half roasted. That looks good.
Look at that. We'll dip it in hot sauce. Oh, that's got some kick.
How you liking Chattanooga so far, Jed?
I like it. It's good.
Pretty cool town.
Yeah.
It's not a big city. It's small, but it's got the nice river, lots of bridges, railroads, lookouts.
Reminds me of Pittsburgh a little bit.
A little bit of Pittsburgh vibes. Moon pies. How you like? Eat your first moon pie today.
First moon pie.
And tomorrow, Jed's gonna eat the first time at a very classic restaurant. Don't give it away.
Stay tuned.
Jed, we've been on a couple boats the last couple years.
Nile Cruise.
The Nile Cruise and Seattle Ferry.
Southern Belle. I think we're good on the horn there, buddy.
Pretty sure the horn's like right above you too. That's why it's so loud. Jed, first time
at the Waffle House.
at the Waffle House ever. How did you get away with living 30 years without going to the Waffle House?
It always looks sketchy.
This is where the real Chattanooga lives.
It is from the South.
Yes, it is.
I was reading up, Atlanta has the most in Georgia.
Hello. Can we sit anywhere? Okay. I forget the procedure when you come in here. It's been so long.
I have no idea.
How you like being inside the kitchen?
This is pretty cool.
Pretty cool, yeah. Coffee alright.
Premium roast at the Waffle House.
Burnt ashtray.
Burnt ashtray. Tastes like a burnt ashtray.
Burnt ashtray? What's McDonald's premium roast?
Good night, burnt ashtray.
Stopped here at Flagstaff. Jed wanted to get a coffee.
We're gonna throw this away and get an actual coffee.
Don't.
That's not bad. Not bad.
That's good. What do you think of it?
It's good.
So, Jed, evaluation of Dollar General. Looks like
Waffle.
Dollar General. Waffle House.
Oh, it was good. I liked it.
Good. It wasn't as low class as everybody says, right?
Yeah, I mean, it seemed clean in there.
People need to get off their high horse and go to Waffle House and have a waffle.
Yep.
That's right.
Good breakfast.
Were the blueberries in my blueberry waffle real? No. But it tasted good.
That's right.
That's right. Okay. Now we're gonna go to a little higher class place. The Frothy Monkey.
For coffee.
Here at the Chattanooga market. Didn't really know this one existed, but
We have been heavens, finally what God has done. Through us He's given back to one who is a shield of remain from love.
home of the Chattanooga Choo Choo, not the Chattanooga Choo Choo, home of the Chattanooga Mocs, where they beat Winthrop? No. Who'd they beat yesterday? I say they beat
a team from Spartanburg.
Yeah, not Winthrop. 31-0. There's Stone Mountain. There's actually a like a gift shop up there.
On top of it?
Yeah.
Wow.
You can go walking all around the top.
See the skyline of Atlanta.
Have you ever been to an EDM show beside a Confederate memorial?
No.
I didn't think you did. Jed's dressed for the event.
Yeah, I went to the bathroom and I found a store that sold a poncho.
You never go to an EDM festival without a costume, right?
That's right.
Yours is what, a ghost?